This kit is used to modify air handler units for downflow applications. You will need to increase the motor speed tap settings. See the last page of the kit instructions for details. As always, installation should be done by a professional installer. Remove the connection panel, access panel, blower panel, and filter panel. Keep all panels and screws. These will be reused when reassembling. Remove the support bar and save the bar and screws for later use. Remove and discard the 1 or 2 drain pan mounting brackets. Slide the coil and the horizontal drain pan assembly out of the cabinet and discard the horizontal pan. Remove the rear coil support bracket. Remove the 4 screws securing the coil to the drain pan. Remove the drain pan from the coil and replace it with the kit-provided insulated drain pan. Place the coil on the new pan and reinstall the 4 screws. You may need to lift the coil slightly to align screw holes. Working from the bottom of the coil, install insulated drain pan drip shields. Be sure each is inserted snugly between the drain pan and slab. Install both outer coil slab shields using the tie wraps and secure to a return bend on both ends. Turn the air handler cabinet upside down. The blower assembly will now be on the bottom. Reinstall the support bar using the 4 screws. For size 18 and 24 units only, use the 3 provided strips of insulated tape and attach them to the upper side of the blower housing. Using the 2 insulated coil support brackets and 6 1-inch screws provided, install the brackets to the inner sides of the cabinet. Position the air seals onto the brackets. Be sure the seals seat against the back and front of the air handler and at the front will seat against the access panel when reinstalled. Install the evaporator coil with bottom drain pan assembly on the support brackets. Wrap the coil suction manifold with the insulating foam tape. Reinstall the connection panel, access panel, blower panel, and filter panel. Now, your ADP air handler is ready to be installed in downflow. Please refer to the installation instructions provided with the air handler. All specifications and instructions, as well as other information and support, can be found at www.adpnow.com. Thank you.